Now okay, ready. Okay, now press start, hold, the water will be stopped. Press again, the water will filling inside. Now the water level is low, extra low, even low. You have to wash now?
No, tomorrow lah.
Or tomorrow? Yes, yes.
Just so.
Okay, now I check the spin function. Close the door. Samsung 6.5 kg. The automatic washing machine. APC board.
But you're the boss, right? You're the boss.
Yes.
Why you must take photo? I mean the.
No, this one I.
Oh yeah, you have to check also, right?
Yes. I check. Okay, the spinning.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I repaired this Samsung 6.5 kg fully automatic washing machine. Repair PCB board. The water, once you turn on, the water is coming inside. So now I repair ready. Cannot stop automatically the water failing. So now it's done, is working fine. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching.